Hello, hi, I'm Doug Mimo, Director of Education with MPG, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this quick demo, we'll show you how Power Navigator makes enterprise data center management easy. Let's begin. We'll look at two areas of concern in regards to your data center. One, we'll look at all your assets, your systems, all your platforms, and just give you peace of mind how they're configured. Next, we'll look at enterprise performance reporting. The neat thing about Power Navigator is it is indeed multi-platform. If you look at our system tray here, you can see all the platforms that we've connected to. IBMI, Linux, AIX, etc. So when I need to understand my enterprise at a deeper level, Power Navigator makes it easy. And we can do that via our Power Analytics menu. Let's do this now. Here we see an entire suite of enterprise reporting. Let's click on Enterprise Hardware Summary to get a feel for all our hardware. Okay, let's look at the report. The top section is a neat section as it breaks down all the frames you've analyzed and the total number of systems. Next, we see the Enterprise Resource Total section where we break down all the hardware. CPW, RPerf, cores, memory, and finally disk. Included in the report is a neat operating system inventory and a model inventory. As we scroll down in the report, we get a neat system inventory as you can see the resources for every single system within your enterprise. Okay, now that we understand our hardware, let's do some performance reporting. With Power Navigator, it's easy. Let's see how to do this now. And here, now we want to pick our enterprise performance overview for the last month. That way we'll get a feel for every system, how they performed. Okay, let's look at the report. Management absolutely loves this report because it's one-stop shopping. They can see all their systems on one easy report. So let's understand the format. The first thing I like to see is we have all the serial numbers and systems that we're analyzing over on the left. Across the top, we have all our core metrics, CPU, disk, and memory. You can see in the report we measure everything within best practice guidelines and we look at all platforms. So let's look at the report. We'll start on our first system and look at the first metric, our average CPU. If we click on it, we get a feel for what happened for the entire month. What I love about this graph is not only do you see the average for the entire month, but we can see when the CPU jumped in the middle of the month. That's the power of historical data. If you go back to the report, we then can click on the peak. How neat is this? Not only do you see our busiest day for the month, but we can see in this system when a problem started. And what's neat about the report, trending is built right into the report. If we click on this hyperlink, we can see based on the current trend what the CPU will look like in the future. That's neat for you capacity planners out there, and it gives management a feel for how the systems are growing.